welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name's Emily. Today I have a quick thrift haul and style with me video. So last week I went to Hobby Lobby, I was checking out their clearance stuff, and I also hit up a local thrift store in my area. So let's get right into it. I'm gonna start with Hobby Lobby first because I only got 2 items from there, and I went into Hobby Lobby looking for one specific item, didn't find it, but I got these other 2 instead. The first thing that I got was this Let's Eat, and it was on clearance for $4.49. I have actually upcycled this before, and I added pallet wood to the back, and I sold it on my Etsy page, Wood, Wine, and Crafts. If I can find the video, I will post it here of what it looked like. And this is what I was gonna do the same exact thing with this and put it on my Etsy page. But once you see how I'm gonna style this in my house, I think I'm actually gonna keep it. So, and then hopefully I can get this in. I got this shelf. So I was just walking around and looking at all their clearance stuff. Their clearance section was like all over the store. So I was looking for the orange tags, and above one of the doors in our kitchen that leads to our laundry room, I've been wanting to put a shelf up there for a while to display some like vintage or antique kitchen pieces or any kind of decor pieces that I come across while I'm thrifting. So I found this, and I thought it'd be great because it could be like a 2-tiered kind of shelf. So bought this, and it was on clearance for $10, and I didn't even notice it until I got home, but the sticker on it said that it was normally $34.99, and I was like, really? $35 for this? I will say, so disregard these, but it comes with this on the back of them. And when my husband went to go hang this above the door, it worked perfectly fine for the most part. It wasn't staying flush against the wall. So he added these D hooks onto the shelf so that it would hang a little bit better, and then it would be easier for me to also take it on and off if I needed to do anything or change up anything. So he did add the D hooks. But I'm really excited about decorating this. So let's go decorate this space now, and then we'll come back and finish up the haul. These are the pieces that I will be styling on the shelf. So this came from Hobby Lobby. I think I got it in the fall season last year. And this is actually just a drink that I got from the grocery store not too long ago, and I just loved the shape of it and the color. So I cleaned it up, and I'm keeping it because I love the amber glasses. This was from a recent thrift video. I don't know if that video is out yet by the time this one comes out, but I recently got this piece, and I love copper, and since it's in my kitchen, I love, little kitchen pieces. So this one does not have any markings, I don't think. Nope. But this one does. This one's cool. So I really love these 2 pieces. I got these from the antique store in my town. And then I made this book stack. So super cute. And I cannot wait to style these. All right, well, that was exciting. I hope you guys like that. So let's hop back into the rest of the haul. And everything that I got, I'm actually keeping. I'm not like gonna flip it or upcycle anything. So I will jump, since I was in the kitchen, let's just stay with the kitchen theme. So a while ago, we redid our pantry, and I've been slowly trying to find baskets or glassware or any type of organization that I can find while I'm thrifting instead of, you know, buying it full price. So I came across these two glass jars, and they have like the little, well, it does, there we go. And it suctions really nice. So I got the pair, and they were $2, but the day that I went to the thrift store, any orange tag was 50% off. So I got each of them for $1 a piece. So I'm going to put our different rices that we use on a regular basis in these two, so I can get rid of the, you know, normal containers out there that they come in from the store. So got those. And this piece was just really cool. I don't know if I'm gonna put it in the pantry or not, but it is a vintage Mr. Peanut or Planters or whatever. I don't know if you can see that. Jar, and it says 1984 on the bottom. Excuse me, Mr. Peanut 1984. And the sticker's kind of covering it, but you can see, maybe. And it looks like it has another sticker on it. It looks like it came from probably the local antique store that's in our town. So I'll take that off, but I did pay $2 for it. And I just thought it was cool because, first of all, it's a Mr. Peanut, and it's a very pretty design on the container. So I may just put it on my hutch, or I'll put it in the pantry. I haven't decided. Okay, this piece, I actually, when I came across it, I didn't really know what it was at first, but this, I'll just show you. So this is what I saw. I saw it just like this. And this caught my eye because my husband is a woodworker, and he really likes, you know, all the other woodworkers out there. So when I saw this and it was Clint Harp's, I was like, oh my gosh, I have to get this. And then I realized it's for your cookbook. So yes, I thought of him, but it's going in our kitchen, so it's really for the both of us. But we looked it up online, and he makes these in different types of wood. So it ranges from like $30 to $36. And again, it was orange tag, so it was marked 4, but I got it for 2. And you're supposed to actually have it flipped this way so that you can see the logo, but I'm just gonna keep it this way. So I'm super excited, and I cannot wait to style this on the kitchen counter. The last thing for the kitchen. So I tried making Trigger homemade dog treats, and he loved them, but I only had like Christmas cookie cutters. So I finally found a bone-shaped cookie cutter. It's so cute. So I'll have to make him some treats. You know, too bad this thing isn't bigger, because I guess I could stick them in here. Maybe that's what I'll do. Okay, all right, moving on. The next thing that I found was this apothecary jar, and I love these in the bathroom. So this was $2, and I'm gonna put this, we have shelves in our bathroom, so I'm gonna put this in there. And he's trying to get inside. I'm gonna go let the dog back in. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So I was leaving the store, and I came across, let's see if I can, they're 2 different sizes, but they're like the wrought iron candlesticks. And I only saw this $5 sticker on one of them. So I asked if it was $5 for the pair or $5 a piece. And she said $5 for the pair. And I was like, sold. Okay. I'm gonna put these, I'm pretty sure, I was thinking about putting them on my hutch, but I may put them somewhere else. So we'll have to figure that out. And the last 2 pieces that I got are actually 2 vintage books. And at this thrift store, the vintage books are either like $1 or $2, and I think I got these for $1 a piece. But first, so I was looking for kind of more neutral ones. I have a lot of blues and greens and reds right now, so I kind of wanted to find some more neutral ones, because I am going to be doing a redecorate of my hutch, and I'm going to kind of like, I'm not repainting it, but I'm going to be updating it a little bit. So that will be in a future video coming very soon. So I've been trying to also think of things that I'm going to be putting on the hutch, and I love old books anyways. So I found these, and I really, because I love also putting books or mixing, you know, if they're this way or this way, like when they're styled. So that's what I was looking for. This first one is a comprehensive desk dictionary. I'm not super picky on what the title is. I really do kind of look at the aesthetic of it more. I mean, if it's a really weird title, honestly, I'm probably not gonna get it, unless I'm gonna make sure that the book is always like this way. But I really love the old pages, like how they're aged. And then this one, so this one says it was $2, but I don't know if she charged me $2 for it. And well, it's completely worn off, but let's see, oh, it's another dictionary. Okay, it's another dictionary, but the pages again. And I haven't figured out how I'm gonna style them yet, besides on my hutch, unless I put them somewhere else. But that is everything that I got, and I'm super excited to style everything. So I'm going to clean up all the glassware, clean up everything else that I can, and then let's decorate everything else. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick thrift haul and style with me video. Please let me know in the comments what your favorite item was, and let me know if you like the style video, because I will do more of these if you like them. Please give this video a thumbs up, please consider subscribing, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.